and continuing more stories from my 45 years of professional playing. Sometimes there's humble beginnings. I'm pulling the curtain back on some things, telling the real nitty-gritty experiences of some things. My very first professional gig, when I was 16 years old, we had created a band from the best music kids in high school. We had a good singer, a good drummer, you know, a lot of the people are still my friends. And we got our first gig. It was playing a 50th wedding anniversary of our drummer's grandparents. So, okay, went to this, I think it was a Knights of Columbus Hall. And we were clueless. We learned our favorite songs and hoped that people would like them. And I was the band leader, I guess, and we were afraid that everyone would leave. So we kept playing the whole time and never took a break. We were terrified that we were doing a terrible job and that everyone would leave if we stopped. And so we never stopped. We just kept playing and playing and playing and playing and playing. So not everything goes great. Everything can start at humble beginnings. Yes, you could play, if you've never done a gig, could play a Knights of Columbus or a Kiwanis or a VFW hall or Eagles or all kinds of those membership halls. Start somewhere is my advice. Start somewhere and just go. Even if it's embarrassing later. I don't even remember any of the songs that we played. But it doesn't matter now. Here I am 45 years later, having played all kinds of places in front of crowds as big as 40,000 people and on the street corners sometimes too. So you can do it too. Start somewhere and just keep going, all right? And even if it's embarrassing at first, you'll get over it and you can do it again. Amen to that.